In this video, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a developer. One of the first things we can do with ChatGPT is to ask ChatGPT to explain code to us. So I'm going to write, explain the following code to me, and I'm going to paste the code. There we go. Now ChatGPT is explaining that this code collects data from a Wikipedia page and gives me explanations like step 1, import the necessary libraries, 2, define an HTML template, step 3, define several functions, and you get the idea. Another thing we can do with ChatGPT is to refactor some code. So I'm going to use the same code as an example just because I already gave it to ChatGPT. So I said, please refactor the previous code. So now ChatGPT is saying that they will refactor the code with some changes, and it's listing the changes. It's going to remove unnecessary imports and variables, refactor functions to use more efficient and readable code, improve the exception handling to reduce the chance of errors, and some more things. And it also gave me the refactor code. If you see, it gives it in a special box where I just can click on copy code, and then I have the code with me. Another thing we could do is find bugs. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, find the bugs in the following code. You see, it lists the issues it finds, and it gave me a fixed version of the code. And then it explains what they changed in the version that they shared. Another thing we could do is use ChatGPT for Kubernetes and write YAML code. As a developer, sometimes you have to use YAML code, and it's kind of a downer to write that code. So why don't we just use ChatGPT for it? So I'm asking ChatGPT to create a deployment object that runs 5 replicas of Nginx container for Kubernetes. And then we have it, the YAML configuration file. It also explains how to use it. So there you go. That's how you can use ChatGPT as a developer. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and remember, subscribe if you want to keep on watching these tutorials.